Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC. We've got a little update to the channel. We've got the brand new Rlaarlo Omni-Terminator Carbon Edition. So if you've been following the channel, I do have a video about the Omni-Terminator aluminum or regular version, which sells for $200, but they make a higher end version called the Carbon version, which sells for $50 more at $250. So I will have links in the description below. If you want to pick one of these up, you can buy them directly from Rlaarlo, or if you're in the US, probably makes sense to buy them from Amazon, so you can click on that. That just helps support the channel, but you know, obviously buy it from wherever you would like. And we're just going to be talking about the Carbon Edition because I felt like the main thing I felt the regular version needed was just a little bit more speed. It seemed a little bit slow to me. It does have a much smaller motor, so it's not quite as powerful. I think it's okay for a beginner, but you know, someone more experienced, you probably want to get the Carbon Edition. So we're going to be taking a look at this and also driving it. So yeah, getting the Rlaarlo, you know, green one out of the way. It does come with a more basic radio. This guy here. We're going to be looking at the Carbon Edition. So main difference obviously is the body. Cosmetically, it is an all black body. It looks pretty nice. I think there are some stickers you can add to it. They does not come all stickered up. Other big change is a more advanced radio. So this is the Rlaarlo radio, like a computerized display. It does have soft touch buttons and stuff, so we'll be testing this thing out. It does also have a thumb wheel if you like to do that kind of thing. Nice thumb wheel. Pretty small little finger trigger, but you can adjust that for a larger size, you know, index fingers and stuff. There is the battery tray. It looks like it does support, you know, a 2S life, maybe even a LiPo. And then here's the truck itself. Unlike the other Rlaarlos that typically come with a carbon version or an alloy version, this has the same chassis on both, so it is an aluminum chassis on both of them. I thought that was rather interesting because usually they have a carbon version chassis on the Carbon Edition, but this one is not. Suspension feels really good, just like the original. Other big difference is the motor. So this is a 36 by 50 cam motor. The original, I think, is a 28 by 52. So the original one is much skinnier and slightly longer, but this is going to provide a lot more torque. We're going to run a lot faster. So I think that is definitely well worth it. They also did change out the EC to support, you know, more power and stuff. Mine's a little bit loose. I probably need to retape that down. It does come with a battery. The 70-75 shock towers are the same on both. No differences there. The shocks look identical as well. There is a gyro in this edition, which will made up to the radio, so it allows you to have a little more control. Other differences, there are nice little carbon inserts on the arms, front and rear. So as you can see, they're going to be a little bit stiffer, a little bit more or more rigidity, less flexibility. Another difference is the carbon pieces down the middle. So the center chassis braces are carbon rather than aluminum. And other than that, it looked pretty much the same. I don't see any other major differences. It's different electronics. Servo, I think, is the same. It does come with LEDs on both. So the main difference is just more power, a little bit more stiffness in the arms and the chassis, and then just a better radio. So yeah, those are the main differences. I didn't really see anything else. But yeah, I was pretty impressed with the regular Omni-Terminator. Just felt like it needed more power. So let's go test this thing out and see how it drives. Okay, we got a 3S pack installed, 2200 milliamp hour battery that comes with the truck, and testing this thing out. So we're a little bit of a different bash spot. Okay. Oh, there you go. Whew. All right. Instantaneous rotation. Quite a bit of drag brake on this truck. Interesting. Really? Apologize for the wind. Very windy out here. Seems to always land on its feet with the LCG. Yeah, see? Oops. Not bad. I like the increase in power. Fun little mini Thrasher though. Like they call it 10 scale. It's not 10 scale. It's 12 scale basically. Definitely bigger than the little 14 scales and stuff that people. But yeah, let's try another location. Ooh, I think you might be able to clear this whole thing. Get off the rear a little bit. Okay. Well, there you have it. Rlaarlo Omni-Terminator, the Carbon Edition. I like it. I think actually it performed best on this sort of like carpet track. Just had a lot more traction on the bumpy, rocky, loose dirt stuff. It was just bouncing around a bit too much. Probably need some diff tuning and stuff, but here it drives quite well. Yeah, great little truck. Definitely a big improvement over the regular aluminum version. I would go with this. It's 50 bucks more, $250 instead of $200. We'll have links in the description below where you can pick one of these up. But great little truck, nothing broke. Oh, the ESC did pop off, so I do need to retape that down. So that seems to be the one issue with this truck. The double side taper they use is not the best. But anyways, yeah, great little truck. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.